Hello, dear viewer. Let's change this a bit. Okay, that's better. More informal. First of all, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, have a blissful Kwanzaa, and every other holiday season wish to you. I used to simply make a text post for the New Year's before, but YouTube is primarily a video platform, and text posts they reach only a very small amount of people. So this year I decided to make a video instead and share some of my adventures on YouTube in 2024. The stuff that went well, the stuff that went quite wrong, and the things that surprised me. A while ago, already last year, I made a post asking what kind of content people would like to see more on my channel. Looking back, now I understand it was an incredibly naive idea. As I mentioned, YouTube is primarily a video platform, and posts like this one only reach a very small fraction of my viewers. This particular post got 41 votes and 3 likes. That's probably the people who scroll through subscription feeds. And there was another glaring issue with how the choices were phrased. There is an option essays, which got 0 votes. I mean, essay sounds boring, but this is just YouTube creator lingo. What I actually meant was videos like NVIDIA Jetson Ori Nano overview or alternatives to Raspberry Pi. And these are some of my most popular videos. The majority of the votes went for robotics, and that made me really happy at that time, because I do enjoy working on that type of the videos. This is how I started the channel in the first place. But then, the 2 robotics videos I made this year, they flopped terribly, especially the Halloween Dalek. That's why I have a very small favor to ask you. Have you watched those videos? If yes, what is your opinion? Leave your comments below this video. This is really quite important to me because I plan to keep working on robotics videos, and your feedback can help me improve. Okay, moving on. The good news is that thanks to you, the channel stats have been going up this year. In fact, the views and the watch time are at their highest, even counting the period before I took my 1.5 year break from YouTube and everything went to shit. Yep, that's right, the algorithm does not like its human minions slacking. During that 1.5 year break, the channel watch hours and views slowly dropped, and I even lost my monetization. I regained the monetization this summer. So as you can see, I am now a rich and famous YouTuber. Okay, seriously, I think McDonald's workers in the third world countries that do have McDonald's, they make more money than me directly from YouTube. Let's count. This has been an exceptionally good month. I will tell you later why. In terms of revenue, I got a whooping $92 for 28 days. I spent roughly 3 full work days, 1 for each video, plus sometimes in the evenings, working on the scripts and projects themselves. So let's say around 40 hours. 92 divided by 40, that's 2.3 United States freedom bucks per hour. Oh well, basically I'm at the point where this is a hobby that almost pays for itself. I do get some other income, for example from Patreon and AliExpress affiliate program. For Patreon, I'm really grateful to people who support me financially. It means a lot to me. And while I do plan to keep all of my content free and available to everyone, I will post some extra stuff and perks to Patreon supporters. In the epic fail section this year, we have robotics bi-weekly videos. I started them with the intention of having a type of video that I can make relatively fast and to keep up with the news and trends. So I decided to use an animated character and a voice generated with the Bark TTS. That did not go well at all. The views and the watch time on most videos were abysmal. According to the comments, I guess some of the people thought that since there is no person present, these AI videos just make themselves. I wish each one of them still would take me around 12 hours to finish. Since I promised I will publish them every 2 weeks, After half a year of the tight deadlines, I felt pretty burned out and I decided to stop the series. One of the more successful videos in that series was about 3D printed robots. It got picked up by YouTube algorithm and recommended up next to quite a lot of people. Really no idea why this one never happened to any of my other videos. Speaking of never happened to any of my videos, recently due to the launch of Jetson Ori Nano Super, my slightly older video Jetsons Explained in under 400 seconds got catapulted high into search rankings and gave the channel nice lift. This is why I mentioned it was a very successful month so far. I heard it can happen that YouTube algorithm can pick up your old video due to some recent events, but this is the first time that actually happens to me. So what is in the plans for the next year? On the one hand, I plan to keep doing what you guys find interesting and make some quality essays. So the board series overviews, reviews, and short tutorials on Hardware.ai. On the other hand, I plan to put more emphasis on the quality robotics content and make it more interactive and focused on storytelling, instead of a bit more of the cut and dry approach that I had before. So what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for your support and happy holidays!